how to share your location on WhatsApp iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share your location on WhatsApp iPhone. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Once you get into your WhatsApp account, tap to go into your friends chat. When you're in the chat of your friends, tap on Add icon from the bottom left corner. Then, you will find the location option from here. After that, tap on it, and in this, you will see the option to share your location. If you didn't allow your location from the settings, go into settings and allow the location from here. After getting into settings, choose the always option so you can share your location directly. Now get back to WhatsApp and then you are able to share your location. So you can share your current or live location now. Tap to share your live location and select the specific time of your live location. After selecting the time, tap to share it. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.